So all you need to make the perfect taco shells is this right here, a big spatula and a pot that's deep enough to hold your taco shells, your tortillas. So here we go. All right, so first you take your tortilla, your corn tortilla, and you're gonna sit it in the grease, and then you're gonna make sure you're in the center of it, so that way when it folds up in the grease, it's gonna make the perfect taco shell. Then you use your tongs to hold it up. Let the grease come down back into the pot. Then you just sit it right over there with the rest of the perfect taco shells. Look at that. Isn't that easy? There you go. That's your hack. Bye.